Notice the GAF Timberline roof is so much more pretty than builder grade shingles. And also over here we have leaf freeze and 6-inch gutters and oversized downspouts. And as opposed to the way it was before, we put gutters up instead of a rain diverter. I don't really like rain diverters because water gets back behind them and rots the plywood.
If you're a homeowner in the Woodlands or Northwest Houston area, schedule a professional roof inspection today for an honest opinion on your roof's condition.